Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. We are un cours civique questionnaire pour la formation civique. Okay, why? One of the objectives for the formation civique est connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. Know how the French society functions. So, this is the question. Okay. Pour connaître légalement en France, quel document est indispensable? Pour connaître légalement en France, quel document est indispensable? To drive legally in France, which document is essential? A. Un permis de conduire valide. A valid driver's license. B. Une carte vitale ou a health insurance card. C. Un livret de famille, a family record book. Or D. Une attestation de domicile uniquement. It's a proof of address only. So, what is your answer, please? Pour conduire légalement en France, même partout. Okay, we'll see the answer, please. So, let's see what is the answer. Quelle est votre réponse, s'il vous plaît? Réponse A. Un permis de conduire valide. Answer A valid driving license. Why? Justification. Pour conduire, il faut un permis valide, mais aussi respecter les obligations liées au véhicule, notamment assurance, carte grise et contrôle technique si nécessaire. To drive in France, a valid license is required, along with vehicle-related obligations such as insurance, registration documents, and roadworthiness checks when required. So this is when we have the categories, yun yung that is the registration. Insurance is very important. And here they have the control technique, normally chaque 12 ans. Every 2 years ang control technique. So, so that you will have a badge, okay? So, that is a permis de conduire valide. And it depends on your driver's license, okay? There's a driver's license for the moto, driver's license for the B, AOC for others, okay? So, it depends on your driver's license. Okay? For the car is permis B. Merci. And please, don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.